Hello guys, welcome to Dimox Design Creatives, and today I want to take you through the process of how you can recover your deleted WhatsApp messages. I will take you through the steps that you're supposed to go through so that you can recover your most or treasured messages that you deleted by mistake. So today I want to just take you through the process how you can recover your deleted messages. So follow through the steps that I will take you through, and the first thing I will do, I will take you to my WhatsApp messages. I will take you to my WhatsApp messages, and I will try and see if I can recover some of the messages that I will delete. So let me see, let me have a few copy of messages that I can delete. So let's see. I want to recover these messages. I want to recover these messages here. I want to see if it is possible to recover them. So what I will do, I'll go to more, I will clear the chats. So I'll clear the chats. So when I click on that, I won't find any message around here. So I want to recover these messages because I have deleted by mistake, and I want to have them back. So what you do when you do such a mistake, the first step you do, or the first step that you take, is opening your, the first thing you do, you go to your settings. Go to your settings. Here are my settings. And you click on your settings, go to applications, go to applications, or click on apps. Then click on manage apps. Click on manage apps. So I'll check on the application that I don't want to have in my phone. So which application is that? Let me just type FM WhatsApp. Let me click on that. Let me remove it from my my phone. So the application is been uninstalled, so we have removed that application. And then from there, I will, then after going to settings and deleting my application, after going to settings and deleting my applications, then I will go to my file manager. I'll go to my file manager, and then I will tap on device storage. On the device storage, on FM WhatsApp, I will click on database. So I will click on this, and then I will, let me rename this. I will need to rename it. Let me give it the name backup. After renaming my database, I'll go back and try and see if I can download my FM WhatsApp, because I had deleted it, my FM WhatsApp. Let me try and see how I can, if I can download the latest version. I will need my FM WhatsApp. Let me check the size, my FM WhatsApp APK file name. And then I would need to download my FM WhatsApp so that I can see if I can get it. Let me download my FM WhatsApp. Download is already taking place. Download, you can see here, is already taking place. Cool. So the download is done. So I can click on this and install it. I can click on that and install. Let's install FM WhatsApp. You can see it's installing. Just wait for a few seconds and it will be done. So you can open. Let's open and see. Open. allow, and then here don't miss this part here, restore. You'll be required to restore your data. So we can check on FM WhatsApp. We can check on FM WhatsApp. It's here. Let's see, it's preparing messages. So when it comes here, click on never, then click on done. Then you provide the name, then you can put your profile photo there if you wish, but for now I won't do that. The name is there, then we can check on that. So this is the message that we had deleted, and you can see the message is back in form and shape. So you can see that the only message that I deleted is what I have been able to recover. So if you want to recover everything, you need to delete every conversation. Delete every conversation. Then when you do the backup or when you go to the file settings and the file manager out there, that's when you will be able to recover everything after you edit the database. So you can see that clearly the message that I deleted is the only thing that I have been able to recover, and all the chats inclusive. So if you want to recover everything, all the chats, make sure that you delete all those chats so that you can be able to recover them after you edit the database. The reason why we were not able to recover all the chats that we had before this one that we deleted is because we did not delete them, so they were not able to be saved in the message store. So you can also see that our group chats, we will only lose the group chats, but the groups, you will not be removed from the groups. You will not be removed from the groups, but the chats that will be in the groups will be deleted. But if you want to recover also the groups, what you do, you clear the messages in the groups, or you clear all the messages in the groups and the chats in the groups, and then when you do the recovery process, you will be able to recover everything. That's why I wanted to show you that you can delete that's why I wanted to show you that you can only recover what was deleted in the chat. So thank you for the following, thank you for the view, and may you keep following, and remember to subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna give you more content that will be of great importance to you. Thank you, and see you until we'll meet in the next tutorial. See ya.